Commercialization of agriculture in UP. Commercialization of agriculture is a shift from subsistence farming to profit-driven, market-driven agriculture. Commercialization of agriculture summary. Transition from subsistence to market-oriented farming. Shift from subsistence farming to profit-driven, market-oriented agriculture, driven by factors like population growth, urbanization, and increased demand for agriculture products. Positive impact: increase production of food crops to meet growing population, generates employment and income for farmers, contributes to state economic growth, and improve food security in Uttar Pradesh and India. Negative impact: shift from traditional crops and farming practices affecting biodiversity and soil growth, vulnerability to farmers to market fluctuations and price shocks, increased use of pesticides and fertilizers with potential environmental consequences, concentration of land ownership disadvantages and disadvantaging small and marginal farmers. Government initiative to promote commercialization. Government subsidies for seeds, fertilizers and machinery, investment in agricultural infrastructure such as roads and irrigation, support for sustainable agriculture practices, assistance to small and marginal farmers. Specific examples of commercialization of agriculture in UP: increased production of cash crops like sugarcane, potatoes and vegetables, adoption of contract farming agreement for crops such as sugarcane, rice and potatoes, growth of food processing industry providing new market opportunities, utilization of e-commerce platforms for direct consumer sales. Commercialization and UP budget 2023-24. Farmers training programs. Innovative initiatives called Million Farmers School launched across the entire province to train farmers in the latest techniques. National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture allocation of rupees 631.93 crore for this scheme. Uttar Pradesh Millets Revival rupees 55.6 crore allocated to this scheme. Agriculture Startup Scheme proposed rupees 20 crore for this scheme in four agricultural universities. Mahatma Buddha Agricultural and Scientific University, provision of rupees 50 crore for this establishment in Kushinagar. Infrastructure work in agricultural universities, allocation of about rupees 35 crore for infrastructure development in universities in Karnataka. Infrastructure work in agriculture universities, allocation of about rupees 35 for infrastructure, 35 crore for infrastructure development in universities in Kanpur, Ayodhya, Panda and Meerut. Agriculture college development, teaching and construction work started in Agriculture College Azamgarh and ongoing construction in Gonda district under Acharya Narendra Dev University of Agriculture and Technology, Ayodhya. Dairy development, rupees 25 crore proposed under Uttar Pradesh Dairy Development and Dairy Product Promotion Policy 2022. Nand Baba Dairy Mission proposed 61.21 crore for its implementation in the financial year 2023-24. Cattle welfare target to construct 187 large Gau Sanrakshan Kendras and 171 complete to address issues to destitute helpless cattle. Prime Minister Matsya Sampada scheme proposed to 257.5 crore for welfare, wholesale fish market development. Food processing industry proposed 100 crore under the Uttar Pradesh Food Processing Industry Policy 2022. Textile sector development, formulation of Uttar Pradesh Textile and Garmenting Policy 2022 to attract investment and create maximum job opportunities in the textile sector. Commercialization of agriculture in Uttar Pradesh is a multifaceted process with both positive and negative impact. It is essential to manage it carefully to ensure that all stakeholders benefit while addressing environmental and equity challenges. Government support and sustainable practices play a pivotal role in shaping the futures of the agriculture in Uttar Pradesh.